One product that we offer are AC variable frequency drive control panels. What are the benefits of controlling industrial motors with a variable frequency drives? Motors account for at least half of the energy consumed in the U.S. Selecting the right control method for an application lets the motor run most efficiently while maximizing torque and overall performance. Optimizing motor control systems by installing or upgrading to variable frequency drives can reduce energy consumption in your facility by as much as 70%. Efficiently run motors also use less energy and experience less downtime for greater overall savings. Equipment will last longer and will have less downtime due to maintenance when it's controlled by variable frequency drives, ensuring optimal motor application speed. Solvier is your best source for variable frequency drive systems because we offer quick quote response and fast panel delivery, competitively priced control panels. Control panels are customized to meet required specifications. Control panels are designed with one or multiple drives per enclosure. UL 508A certified and labeled control panels. Options include 230, 460, and 575 VAC. NEMA 1, 3R, 12, 4, 4X, and 7 enclosures. Door-mounted keypad. 3 contactor bypass. Semiconductor fuses. Enclosure cooling fans. Enclosure air conditioners. Enclosure heater. Arc flash enclosure. Line reactors, load reactors and filters, RFI and EMI filter to reduce high-frequency noise generated by VFD, braking resistor to dissipate bus voltage, surge suppression for 3-phase power and control signals, voltage monitor for phase loss, phase reversal, under voltage and over voltage. Control all your motors with Solvier variable speed drive control panels and save money, save energy, reduce downtime, reduce maintenance, run a more efficient manufacturing plant. Solvier is the best source for all of your AC variable frequency drive control panels needs. We provide quality control panels that exceed your expectations.